Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work on homework number 3. I'm not going to work on all the steps in this video, so I will leave some steps for you to work on to practice the exercise. Alright, so this is the question description, and I believe that you can download it from the Blackboard. And then there are two web pages, the quotation page with the file name default.spx, and the confirmation page with the file name confirm.aspx page. So let me move this one aside first. And again, I assume that you have downloaded the zip file, the exercise zip file already. So let me select this one and unzip it. Alright, so you can see that the file has been unzipped already. Let me navigate into the folder, and one more time, then you can see that those are the two files we mentioned a moment ago together with the style sheet. Alright, so I'm going to use the Visual Studio 2015 to open the file. Alright, and then I'm going to go to File, and then open, and then this time will be website. And then I'm going to navigate to the location where I unzip the file. So again, you might unzip the file to a different location, but for me, I unzip it to the F drive, then under the home CS homework, sp.net, homework number 3, and then this is the file name, yeah, xex04 quotation, and navigate into it one more time, and then select the folder name and click OK. Immediately the software will load all the required file for me, and then this will be the default page. This is what it looked like. This will be the confirm page, and then I can switch to the design view. This will be what it looked like. Alright, so I'm going to start showing you how to work on the homework. Okay, so step 1, open the file and unzip it. We've done it already. Step 2, add the confirmation button to the quotation page right after the calculation button. So you can see that if you select the default SPX page, there is a button there. So now we just need to add a confirmation button, so it will look like this. So let me set this one aside, and then I'm going to go to the standard. Inside the toolbox, I'm going to expand the standard and drag and drop an instance of the button and put right next to the calculate button, and then the name of the button, the description of the button will be called conform. So I'll go to the properties window, and then look for the property text and change the value to conform. There you go. Conform. And then click any blank area. There you go. And also it mentioned about you need to change the style, to button. So again, let's do that. Let's do that. So look for the CSS class attribute name, and then from the drop down menu, pick button as a style. Pretty good. Pretty good. All right. So we have done step 2 already. If necessary, please pause the video and we watch it again. With slow speed if you want to. All right, step 3, add the send quotation and return button to the conform page. So we need to create this button and this button on the conform page. So let me do that now. And also set the attributes, okay, to the button attribute. Okay, so let me do that now. Okay, so let me click the conform page. Okay, yeah, okay, let me close this one, okay, for a sec. So this will be my conform page. Okay, and then yeah, let me add two buttons to it. Okay, so this is the button here, and then one more. I might want to put a space there. Yeah, two buttons, and this will be called the send quotation. So let me change this one to send quotation, and the class will be button, and this one will be called a return, and the class will be button as well. All right, in addition to that, okay, he mentioned about give me a minute. Okay, he mentioned about for the return button also set the go back, okay, attribute to the quotation page. Okay, so let me do that right now. So okay, why the button is still selected? Okay, by go to the get postback URL and click the more option here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the default page. Okay, there you go. And then okay, now we're done with okay, step 3 already. Step 4, add a label, okay, control below the buttons, okay, and the ID for each control should be LBL message, okay, and the starting message should be shown, okay, as above. Okay, so this will be the messages, this will be the message. Okay, so let me again, okay, go back to the uh, default page and then drag and drop a label. So the label would prefer to be displayed over the next line. So let me press an enter key. There you go. And then from the properties window, okay, it shows that the ID, okay, the ID would prefer to, sorry, let me select the label. The ID will be preferred to be called LBL message. Okay, so there you go. And then the starting message, okay, will be for this one will be sure to click the calculate button before you conform. There you go. Very good. Okay, and then for the conform page, okay, for the conform page, okay, I will do the same here. So put a label there. Again, yeah, I would like the message to display over the next line. So let me press an enter key and change the ID. Okay, sorry, the label, select the label, change the ID to LBL message. And then the text message get to the one over the screenshot. Okay, so all the assignment sheet, it will be click the send quotation button, get to send the quotation by email. There you go. All right, let me move this one back. Okay, so now okay, you can see that okay, we have completed step 4 already. Step 5 is a test the app, okay, to see how it's going. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, let's do that. So go to the default page and then go to debug. Start without debugging. Yeah, some default values over there already. So let's try calculate, pretty good. Let's try conform. So far so good. And then how about test the conform page? Okay, again, select the conform page. Okay, and then let's run it. This is conform page. Okay, and click send quotation. Okay, it needs us to put some value there, so put in any value you like. Okay, yeah, but with the valid email format, and then click send quotation. So far so good. Click return. You should go back to the conform page. Sorry, the price quotation page. Okay, it's good. Okay, it's good. All right. Okay, so let me move on to step 6. Okay, it says create a event handler for the conform button, okay, of the quotation page. This button should redirect the conform to the confirmation page, okay, which will display the quotation that is been conformed by getting the data from the section state. We'll talk about section state okay, in a minute. Okay. All right. So this is the price quotation get page, and then we need to create an event handler. So again, don't type those event handler headers. Okay, please, okay, don't do that okay, unless you know what you're doing. Okay, so over here, just double click it. There you go. So the software will create the event handler. Okay, click event handler for us, and then all we need to do is just use the server. Sorry, response dot redirect, and then okay, we're going to redirect this page to the conform page. Okay, so let me type the conform.spx. There you go. Okay. All right, and then I would recommend you to do a quick test. Okay, so let me run the app. All right, so let me click calculate. When I click the conform, okay, then yeah, go to the source code here. Yeah, so once I click the conform okay button, then it will redirect this page okay, to the confirmation page. Okay, so let me click on that. There you go. So it redirects to the quotation confirmation page. Yeah, so everything works just fine. Okay, then next one, okay, it say that okay, to make this okay, work, the click event handler for the calculate button okay, of the quotation page should save the sales price, discount amount, and total price in section state. Okay, so now add the code to do that. Okay, okay, so I'm going to maybe just show you how to do one. Okay, let me not do everything for you. Okay, so click the default let me see, yeah, default expert page. This is the calculate button, so let me double click it so you can see that it directly uh, directs me to the event handler, and it has code pre-written already. So I'm going to show you how to use the section state. It's extremely easy. Okay, section, and then you pick a key. Okay, so the key I will use the same name like the variable. Okay, so it's called a sales price equal to okay, and then I'm going to put the sales price. Okay, and please do the same okay, for the total price. Sorry for the in order will be discount okay, price yeah, discount amount. My bad. Okay, and then yeah, do one for the total price. Okay, so please okay, type that okay, on your own. Okay, yeah. Okay, so over here, okay, then it says that let me see, where are we? Yeah, okay, we are at step 7. Okay, and note in the confirmation page above that okay, you only have to add a value okay, for the sales price, total discount amount, and then total price okay, to section state. Okay, so again, I've shown you okay, how to do one already. Please do the rest of the two on your own. Okay, and then okay, let's move on to step 8. Okay, so step 8 said that when the user click the confirm page okay, on the quotation page okay, to go to the confirmation page, the event handler okay, for the confirmation page should get the data okay, from section state and display it as okay, shown above. Okay, note now add the code. Okay, so again, okay, this will be the confirmation page, right? And then to go to the event handler, click any blank area. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you can see that this is the confirmation page. Okay, confirmation page load method. So I'm going to okay, do something like this. I will say okay, decimal and then variable sales price equal to, remember we're going to get the sales price okay, from the section state. So the name okay, we call it okay, all the key we use is this one. So I'm going to copy this one and then switch back here and then paste. Okay, however, okay, however, be aware that okay, the value okay, return is an object, so we have to cast the value to decimal point. Okay, okay, and then again, okay, do the same okay, for the discount amount, and also do the same for the total price. Let me see. Yeah, total price. Yeah, and then okay, we're going to display the value on the confirmation page. Okay, so we know the discount price. Okay, the label for the discount price is LBL. Discount price. This is the label name okay, for the sales price. So let me switch back here. Okay, so I will try something like this. Get LBL sales price. Okay, dot text property. We have the value from sales price dot to string, and then the format will be currency. There you go. Okay, so I think you got the basic idea. Okay, so again, uh, do the same okay, for the discount price okay, and the sale price. Okay, all right. Okay, so let me see where are we right now. So yeah, okay. So step 9. Okay, it say that okay, add an event handler okay for the uh, click event of the send quotation button. If the entries for this form are valid, this handler should display the message below the button says this function had not been implemented yet. It also set the values in section state to null. Okay, so there you go. So now I'm going to go to the confirmation page, and then this is let me see, yeah, the same button, right? Yeah, same button on the confirmation page. So let me double click it. Again, don't type those function headers. The server will create it for you. So now I'm going to type something like this. Okay, so if a page that is valid, Yeah, everything check out fine from the validation controls. Yeah, then we're going to display the message. Yeah, there'll be okay, label message the text equal to okay. The message will be okay, this function has not been implemented yet. Okay, yeah, implemented yet. Okay, there you go. And also set the value okay, of the section state okay, to null. So we have okay, one section state here. So this will be the sale price. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, sale price equal to null. Again, please do the same for the total amount. Okay, so let me not type all the code for you. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we got the basic idea now. So let's do the test. Okay, let's do the test. Okay, so now okay, we got to step 10, done step 9 already. So let's do the test. Okay, start with default.spx page. Okay, debug, go to debug, start without debugging. Let me move this one up. Okay, calculate. Okay, so far so good. Once I click conform, it will navigate into the confirmation page. Okay, let's try that. And since okay, I have set up the code to retrieve the sales price, yeah, and display over the label over here, so it's good. Again, for the discount amount, the total price, okay, again, please write the code on your own, okay? Yeah. And then if I click send quotation, it will need me to fill out the name. So again, put in anything, okay, fine, over there is fine. Anything, any email format is fine, okay? Any email address is fine. And once I click the send, then okay, the message should change to this function da 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 da. So let me do that. All right, okay, so far so good. If I click return, then it should bring me back to the price quotation page. Okay, so there you go. So far so good. Okay, I think that there are only 3 steps left. Okay, or 4 steps left for you to do. So I will leave the rest of it to you. Okay, so please okay, complete the homework. Okay, and again, I will give you okay, partial credits okay, even though the due date have passed already. Okay, have a good day and then have fun as well. Yeah.